You usually have to.
Okay, here we go.
Light work.
Okay, Emma, what was another word for a rotate that we used?
If you're gonna say that.
What's another word for rotate that we used?
What?
Okay,
Get off the game.
Move.
what's another word for rotate?
Move.
Move, spin,
I said that.
there we go.
That one was in the back of my head too.
Page 11. Rotation is a turn around a fixed point. Okay,
No.
Wait, what page?
11.
Where's my third? What else? What I think of that? What I think of that?
Okay.
Oh.
we have a turn around a fixed point. Okay, so what's gonna happen? We are going to rotate around a specific point. In this class, we are always going to rotate about the origin. Okay? And we're gonna go a specific direction. In this class, we are always gonna go counterclockwise, which is what we've been doing, which is this way. The way that I had Kadam do his cartwheel, okay?
Wait, can you do it one more time?
You've been in class for how long? And you're just now asking?
Can I please want a pencil too or pen? Well, why don't you?
Caleb, are you sure you want to do it one more time? So the whole class. So it's really good.
Okay, our rotations are going to result in congruent figures. Sorry, I'm sorry.
Tony. It's spelled wonderful. Wait, my words. How do you spell point wrong? Yeah, what happened to it? Did it break?
So you'll see here why in a moment, okay? I'm gonna be a little bit more hands-on today with how we take our notes,
I
okay?
like that.
So. Okay, I want everybody to look at problem number 1. Okay, and I want you to imagine this rotating 90 degrees counterclockwise. Who can tell me which quadrant it's gonna end up in? Kadam? 2, it is gonna rotate from here to here. Okay, now, this is where I don't want to use a petty paper, okay? So I want you to rotate your head 90 degrees counterclockwise. Are you ready? Are you doing it? Okay, now, I don't want to do the problem with my head like that, do you?
Yeah.
I can do it.
Which way would we need to turn our paper, Kadam? So let's, instead of looking like this, let's turn our paper 90 degrees to the right,
No.
and now my head is normal. Okay, so the top of my paper is right here. And this is really quadrant 2, but you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna pretend right now that it's quadrant 1. Okay, now, our real coordinate P is at 3, 7. Okay, so I've turned my paper 90 degrees, and now I'm gonna go to the right 3. Oh, 1, 2. And up 7, and that's my new P coordinate, P prime. Everybody do it. I graph 3, 7 by going right 3 and up 7. Do it with your paper turned. Pay attention. That's all I have to say. You've been complaining about your pencils. What I asked you to do is turn your paper to the right. And we are plotting 3, 7 by going right 3 and up 7. Plot it. Okay, Cash. How about you wait till after the 16th, okay? Now, Q is 8, 1. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go right 8. Up 1.
Oh, right here.
And there is the new Q.
3, 7.
All we're doing is we're pretending that this is quadrant 1. And we're plotting the points. R is 1, 2. So I'm gonna go right 1 and up 2, like I would if I was plotting.
Okay.
Wait, where did I put T?
Don't be mean. Be
Now,
medium mode.
we have it graphed. Okay, why would Q go there? Q is 8, 1. So I went right 8, up 1. Do you have your paper turned?
What is 270?
So we go right 8 and up 1. Okay. All right, so now this is what we're gonna do. Are you ready? We're gonna take our paper. Let's turn it back to normal. Okay. There it is in the second quadrant. We did it. We're not gonna do it. So let's talk about P prime.
Oh, I get it.
Now, let's look at our now turn back to normal graph. And let's talk about what this coordinate is. What is this coordinate?
2. Wait, what? -7, 3.
There we go. That's -7, 3. Hey, there is too much talking. It's just me right now, unless you have your hand raised and you have a question. Okay, let's talk about Q prime.
-1, 8.
Okay, this is our new Q right here. It looks like we have to go left 1, up 8 to get there. So that coordinate is -1, 8. Austin.
So on the test, you have to like flip our paper.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, what about R? What is it, Emma?
-2, 1.
-2, 1.
Oh, wait, and should have lost it.
You said that.
So we took our graph and we rotated 90 degrees counterclockwise.
Man, I know you can shut up.
Hey, Austin, Austin, Austin,
She said it first.
Austin. I'm recording. That recorded everything you just said.
It recorded her saying it first then.
Make 5. Okay, let's review what we just did. With our original coordinates, both graphed and written off to the side. Since we were rotating 90 degrees counterclockwise, we knew our shape would go to the second quadrant. Now, instead of turning our head 90 degrees, we rotated our paper to the right and we just pretended that this was quadrant 1 and we graphed our points and then we turned it back. Okay. All right. Let's go ahead and look at problem number 2. Okay, problem number 2. We have W is at 2, 3, right? X is at 5, 8. Y is at 7, 6. And Z is at 8, 2. Okay, is this what it looks like? Okay, Jacob, what does it say? How far are we rotating it? 180 degrees. So I want everybody to imagine Kadam's cartwheel. Okay, imagine Kadam's cartwheel, and we're taking this and we're rotating it 180 degrees. Where's it going to end up? It's going to end up into the third quadrant. Okay. Now, this is actually really nice. If we are going to rotate 180 degrees, what are we going to do with our paper?
Move it.
Flip it all the way upside down. Do it with me. Everybody should have upside down papers.
Flip your paper, guys. Tony, flip your paper.
My paper is right.
Now.
Okay, so this is the top of our paper. And now we're pretending that this is our new quadrant one. We know really that it isn't what we're just going to pretend. So we're gonna take these 4 quadrants and we're gonna pretend that this is quadrant 1 and we're gonna plot them.
It's just confusing
Okay.
because the numbers say different things.
Okay, so 2,3 means we go right 2 and up 3. Plot it. That's your new W. Right 2 up 3. We're doing number 2, sir. We're doing number 2. We're doing number 2, Austin.
Oh.
Can you wait until we're done with this?
Oh.
Okay, 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Like, you need to do that in 2 minutes.
3.
What? Okay, X is 5,8. So we're gonna go right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There you go. Right now, just go.
Yes.
Here.
I have a hot pass. I have a whole pass. I got it. I don't need that. I have a whole pass.
Then why'd you ask?
I'll take that.
Okay. Y is 7, 6. So we're gonna go right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's our new Y. Got it. Okay. And then Z is 8, 2. So to plot that, we're gonna go right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up 2.
No, I don't like that. I don't like that.
Will you not be like that?
I'm not talking about the math. I'm talking about the-
We have turned our paper upside down. We have plotted our points with our paper oriented upside down. Now what are we gonna do?
Flip it.
We already plotted it.
Flip.
Carefully flip your paper back to normal.
Why did you not come out?
No, I did.
Mine was- oh.
Okay, and now we're gonna actually name those coordinates. Okay,
Like,
W is what, Tatum? -2. -3.
wait, is it
Okay.
gonna be like opposite but negative? So like negative
Numbers,
5,
but negative.
negative 3?
Yes.
Is it? Wes, where is X prime? Where's this guy?
It's always
You say.
negative
5, negative 8.
Good. Austin, where's our new Y coordinate?
-7, -6.
Okay,
That's
Reagan, where's our new Z coordinate?
-8, -2.
Okay, yes, Austin, when we rotate 180 degrees, that is going to happen. Okay. Now, when we rotate 90 degrees, it's a little bit more involved, okay? Your rotate of 180 degrees should be your easier one. Okay,
Cause it's just.
well, and there's some negatives involved too. Okay, so this is what you are going to do. You're gonna start it now and you're gonna finish it before class time tomorrow. But on page 13, I am only giving you number 1 and number 3 to do for homework,
Oh, okay.
okay? I want you to do number 1 or number 3 right now. Some of you can get both of them done.
This one,